Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Shopify. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Shopify and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Shopify. Here you will install your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.